Everyone needs an emergency blanket in their first aid kit. Check this one out. This blanket size is a 52 by 82 inches, thickness 12 centimeters, and it weighs only 2 ounces. All right, so let's check out this nice big blanket. Wow, this looks like it will be quite large. Right away when I put this on, I'm already feeling my body heat contained, and I'm already feeling like I'm heating up. It's very light, obviously, and it's big enough to wrap around me all the way down to my legs. So I'm going to have a few of these in my car for emergency. Also great for backpacking. When you go camping, definitely have these handy, ready, emergency-wise. So these return 90% of your body heat back to you. So compact, tiny, smaller than a pack of Kleenex. You can even have it in the smallest of bags if you're a very light backpacker. It's weatherproof, windproof. It's not easily rippable here. Very sturdy. I'm very impressed with this. I really love these. Highly recommend them. My biggest challenge is going to be, can I get this big blanket folded back into this little square so I can get it back into that bag? All right. So I got it. Thank you, Mark Cobra, for sending me these thermal emergency blankets.